Hey guys, Night Train here, Florida Night Train. This is a video to say thank you to the crew at Icicles. Icicles. Yes, you guys did it all. I can't go anywhere without my prescription glasses. You guys crowned the market now with this product in a really nice way. Do you know why? I don't have to go anywhere with my prescription glasses anymore. These babies are prescription, available in prescription. That's awesome, that's miraculous. Not only this, they're progressive and transitional. I can't ask for any more. What's important for me when I buy something? Number one, I want performance. These are made with aircraft billet aluminum grade aluminum. You can't get any better. That's indestructible. Number two, functionality. Guess what? They're available in prescription. I can read. I don't have to bring any of my prescription glasses. They're progressive, transitional, they have ballistic capabilities as well. Number three, style. I mean, look at this. These glasses are slick. So, with all that said, you know what, guys? You pulled it off. You really pulled it off. Thank you so much, Icicles. Oh, I forgot. Guess what? The best part is you make it in America. Thank you, Icicles.